Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be decorating my 2DS, and I did a video about this maybe twice already, but I like to change it up. And I've been wanting to do this for a while because I like to put rhinestones and stuff on my consoles, and I did do this with my Nintendo Switch Lite a while ago, but I couldn't find any cases that were double-sided for my 2DS, but then I found one, so I decided to make this video, and here are just a couple of the things I'm going to use. And I have these strawberry bells to make a charm, but I'm not really sure I'm going to use it. So I had this My Melody case for a while, but I still had my Cinnamoroll suitcase because I used to have a Cinnamoroll case for my 2DS, and it just keeps all my games inside. So I decided to get this My Melody bag. It's kind of like a coin pouch, but I think it will be able to hold my games. So I got this to match it since I'm kind of going for a pink theme this time. Well, I mean, I think the other two times I did go for a pink theme, but you guys know what I mean. So now the bag that holds my games and the bag that holds my 2DS is matching, and I really like how it looks. So this is how my 2DS looks if you didn't watch my video when I decorated it, which I can give you guys a link if you want to watch it. And this is just how it looks with the case, how I was talking about how it's not double-sided. And then I just have some charms and an extra stylus inside of this bag. But this is my 2DS right now, and I put this pink decal over it because my 2DS, not my Switch, is black and blue, and it's not pink. The only way you can get a pink 2DS is the Japanese 2DS, but 2DS and 3DS are region locked, so you can't play any American games on it. So I thought it would be cool to just decorate it with pink so I can play my American games and have a pink 2DS. So here's a two-sided case that I found, and I found it on Amazon for a pretty good price. It took a little bit to get here, but it was worth the wait because I really wanted to decorate my 2DS with rhinestones, but I don't like decorating one-sided cases. So the case opens up just like that, and then you just place your 2DS in, and then it should close. And this clip is me putting it on, but then I realized, I was wondering why it didn't fit, but then I realized I still had the other one on, so I just took it off so I could put it in. And I thought it was because of my buttons, but it was just because I had the other case on. So if you have the buttons on your 2DS, you don't have to take them off like I did. So I'm just gonna put them back on. So I have these stickers that I put on last time, and I kind of want to keep them. So I usually, when I want to reuse my stickers, I put them onto a plastic bag. So I'm just going to take off the puffy ones and probably just leave the other ones so they don't leave that residue. So now I'm going to start decorating, and I wanted to put these angel wings on the top next to the camera. So I have these pack of angel wings. There's pink, white, and purple. And I'll probably use the pink ones or the white ones. I'm not sure if I'll use the purple ones because nothing really is purple. Well, the sticker is, but I'm not really going for a purple theme. So maybe I'll save that for another time. So I ended up going with the pink wings because I thought it fitted the most. So here are the pink rhinestones I'm going to use. I laid out these green ones, but I ended up not using them at all, so I just put them back in the bag. I just used the pink rhinestones and the pink pearls, and for this project I'm using E6000 glue. I wouldn't recommend using regular super glue because I did try to use regular super glue on one of my cases for my Nintendo Switch Lite, and it left this really nasty residue that you could see through the diamonds. So I recommend using E6000 if you want to do this. So what I do is I usually put the glue where I know I'm going to put my project at, and then I put it on top. But if the piece is a little bit bigger, I do put it on at the back of the piece as well as on directly on the case. So once I get halfway through, I usually like to put my console into the case and see how it looks so far. So now I am all done with the front, and I really like how it turned out. I like the pink rhinestones and the pink pearls with the angel wings at the top. So now I'm going to do the back of my case, and I wanted to put the angel wings on the back too because I did really like the white ones, so I put them on the back with these strawberries, and how it turned out, and I put some more pink rhinestones at the back as well. So here is my case all finished. I really love how it turned out. I'm so glad that I was able to find a double-sided case so I could do this project. So now I'm going to put my 2DS into the case so you guys can see it all together. So here is my 2DS, and I wanted to be extra, so I put a rhinestone on my stylus, and I think that turned out really cute too. And I know you guys can barely see it, but trust me, it's there. And this is what I'm talking about, how my 2DS is black and blue, but I put a pink decal over it. And I really like how it turned out. And I have some charms over here that I would like to use. And if you guys didn't know, I have a craft shop where I sell charms and jewelry and stuff. So here's one of the charms that I made. And I left the link to my website in the description if you guys want to buy something. But yeah, here is my charm. I also have these Pokemon charms here of Swirlix and Diancie, but I think I'm just going to use the one that I made for now because I really like how the pink star and the bow really matches the rhinestones. So here is my 2DS background and my badges. I like how you can change the layout of your 2DS, and I really hope that one day the Nintendo Switch will add themes and badges because I really like it and it allows you to customize your console. So I'm just going to play Pokemon X as always. I love playing Pokemon on me because that's one of my favorite features, and I really hope they bring it back one day in one of the Pokemon games. But here is Pokemon X, and I'm going to be playing Pokemon and me with Pikachu because I think I'm almost at the next heart for Pikachu, and because Pikachu is my favorite. But Pokemon and me is really cute. Basically, you feed them Pokepuffs, which is the sweets for Pokemon in this region, and you can pet them, and there's 3 mini games to play, and I think the yarn one is called Head It. That's one of my favorites. You can also pet them, and there's also a mode where you can interact with your Pokemon through the camera on your 2DS or your 3DS. And here is the back of my 2DS with the strawberry and the angel wings, and I really love how it turned out, and this was a really fun experiment to do. And I love how my 2DS matches my case for my 2DS and for my games now. So that's all for today's video, and I really hope you guys enjoyed, and I plan on selling these cases on my shop if you guys are interested. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!